My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Kiwm. Kiwm. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files. And by the way, it is from the DJVU ransomware family. First of all, I want to tell you that I don't have the solution to help you decrypt the files. But in the description for this video, you'll find a special link, and by going to that link, you'll find more help on how to recover your data. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. As you can clearly see, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Kiwm ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them all considerably. Kiwm is the extension appended to the file names. So obviously, very soon users realize that they can't access their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware. The ransomware appends this Kiwm extension to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. So don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with a Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website, install the program, and start examining your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But as I said, Combo Cleaner, even in the premium version, does not decrypt files, but it helps you to effectively detect this ransomware and to remove it from your computer. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data protected. And once again, follow the link in the description for the video, which will help you to get more information on how to recover your files.